Hello everyone, this is Liz with Visit Great Falls, Montana, and I wanted to talk to you about our upcoming Feisty Women Week. This is March 3rd through the 9th and is a week full of events celebrating women being unapologetically themselves. So let's dive into some of those events we've got happening. Tuesday, we've got Let's Do Roller Derby with Electric City Roller Derby. We will be doing a workshop on the foundations of roller derby as a sport and be given the opportunity to gear up and practice ourselves. If you don't feel comfortable necessarily on skates, you're more than welcome to attend and just learn more about how roller derby works. It's going to be a very fun night. Wednesday night, we've got Let's Get Weird Improv. They will be at the Paris Gibson Square Museum, teaching a class on how to embrace our quirks and our unique talents as women in comedy. It's going to be a judgment-free zone full of lots of laughs, so make sure you get there. Thursday, you're going to want to buckle in for this because we've got several events going on Thursday. We've got at 1 p.m., one of our very own Feisty Women, Norma Ashby Smith, will be signing copies of her book at Cassiopeia Books, as well as sharing stories from her amazing career in Great Falls. Thursday evening, we've got several events as well. We've got the Fire Within Awards at the Newberry, as well as Ladies' Night Trivia, we're going to call it Ladies' Night Trivia at Magpie, and a talk with Mary Jane Bradbury at the Great Falls Public Library. This will be on the suffragette movement and is sure to be very interesting. Friday, we've got a few different things. Friday, earlier in the day, we'll have at the Great Falls Public Library, Susie McIntyre is going to be teaching real-world self-defense, where we're going to learn strategies on how to protect ourselves in a world that can be a little unpredictable. Friday night at Annie's Tap House, Act Normal Theater will be putting on Till Death, a dark comedy, which is a very funny play written by a local writer that you will not want to miss. This all goes into Saturday and why we're doing Feisty Women Week in the first place. Feisty Women VIP pass holders Saturday morning will have the opportunity to have brunch in Charlie Russell's studio, the studio that Nancy Russell built. And following that, at the History Museum at 1 p.m., we will have the opening of the first ever Feisty Women exhibit. This exhibit features 5 women from Great Falls and shares stories of how they held their own as women in Montana. This will also be the opportunity to see the premiere of the Feisty Women documentary produced by our very own Shannon Newth. The women featured this year are Annie Busby, Stagecoach Mary, Nancy Russell, Alma Smith Jacobs, and Norma Ashby Smith. It'll just share bits of their story as well as their journeys in Montana, well, specifically Great Falls, and how they made this community a better place by being in it. Following that, you can head over to Annie's Tap House and get some drinks for the post-event opening party. We're going to all hang out and just hang out at Annie's Tap House. And then Sunday morning, we'll close out the week of events with our own Feisty Women finale brunch at the Wild Hare. So, as you can see, there is a week full of super awesome events you don't want to miss. If you've not purchased your VIP pass on our website, now is the time. At this point, the brothel tour is fully booked, so that will not be included in VIP passes, but those passes grant you access to everything else for the week, as well as a limited edition t-shirt created by local tattoo artist Nadine Josephine. So, if that doesn't convince you to get down here, I don't know what will, because this is going to be an incredible week, a lot of fun, and you're not going to want to miss it. So come and see us. If you're killing time during the day and want to come and say hi to us tourism gals up at 15 Overlook Drive, make sure to come say hi. Otherwise, we'll see you out at the events. Thank you. Bye.